Khanna, third year student at National Law Institute, University, Bhopal. I've been working on a project, Crime Free Bharat, which is a brainchild of Maithili Sharan Sir. This project sheds light on the possibility of gradual decrease in crime with the help of scientific and technical assistance. The program is an umbrella program catering for 5 kinds of certainties, namely certainty of conviction, certainty of reporting, certainty of detection, certainty of admissibility of evidence, and certainty of rehabilitation. This will meanwhile enable de-stressing and unburdening the work of our police department, considering the perks attached with smart investigation, artificial intelligence, and personal performance-based incentives. The automated system, which will be generated under this initiative, will help in identifying hotspots, mapping criminal clusters, collection of evidences, and safe storage of the same. Under this project, I, along with my team of enthusiastic learners, have drafted a bill which talks about establishment of an authority, namely National Authority for Scientific and Technical Assistance in Investigation and Detection of Crime. Under this bill, we talk about detailed functions, roles, definitions, finances, and duties attached to all the concerned members like investigating officers, volunteers, observers, stakeholders, etc. The project is already halfway and has been referred to government for their kind perusal. We believe that if we receive sincere contribution from our fellow members of the society and viewers, the project will help in bringing the Ram Rajya. Thus, in furtherance of the same, I appeal before you all to come on board with us and let us work together in making India a crime-free India. Thank you.